Next step, let's play with Twinkly music. Let's take a look at the box. Only with twinkly LEDs. So it's not going to work with other type of LED strips, obviously. And it will synchronize with music or sound in real time, which is exactly what we like. And the exact model number is right here. And it's opened up. Let's take a look inside. The little dongle itself, which is quite cute. USB type A, a little button and a little LED, and presumably in here somewhere we have the microphone. Yep, here it is. As always, let me show you the manual. So it works with Twinkly App and with Twinkly devices. These are a bit of info, so maximum range of 10 meters. It has Bluetooth 4.2, so it can directly work with your Twinkly, even without the use of the app, from what I can see in here. This is for setup. So if you basically add Twinkly music, this is in case you need to reset it, and this is how to operate it. Basically from the button you change the mode until you find one that you like the most. And next, I think it's in Italian. So for me, at least, easiest way to do this, in a power bank. The info on this says it's 2.5 watts maximum, so half an amp. This can provide much more than that, so it will run like this for a good while, many hours. Let's go into the app and add it. Okay, at this point you come here, and where do I add the device? Here I add the device. And I think I need to long press on the music device itself until the LED becomes blue. So it's ready to pair. Or isn't it? Let's see. Twinkly music. Yeah, press and hold. I was right. Press and hold, press and hold. And the light is blue. Now connect it to Wi-Fi. And start using the app. And Twinkly music is on. Let's see. Update firmware. Update. And the update was successful. Now, how do I use Twinkly music? I'm expecting from here somehow, but I'm not really sure. Let's see this. No, this is to create a group. Okay, so for big trees you can actually add more of them. Man, this is cool. Now I realized that in here, in controls, now I have music. And I can change nicely. Let's go to dance, for example. And we have a ton of them. And if you are in this menu and you press the button on the music dongle, you can see it changing. So I just pressed it, it takes a bit and it will change. And it goes into shuffle mode. So this is why you can see modes changing. So it's nicer. And now we are back in effect. I pressed it again and we should be going again into some kind of music, or still in effect. It's nicer to come in here in the app and select your mode. So basically directly on the button you are just changing between the main modes, the ones up here, but you are not going into a fine detail. From the app you can find much better what you want. This is awesome. So much attention to details and the programming. So a really good device. both of them actually two good devices, the string and the sound monitor, are made much better by really nice and complete software. And I'm sure they keep adding to this software, so yep, really cool. Basically this now reacts to the volume of my daughter's playing in the background. And I think one of the LEDs might not be mapped properly, thinks it's actually lower than it is, so I might want to redo the mapping, but later. I'm having too much fun now. You can redo the mapping 100 times until you get it perfect if you want. Nobody's stopping you. And obviously you can do the mapping in advanced mode. Let me try advanced mapping once again. Next. Next. I'm going to make sure I'm as close to it as I can be, but still have every single light in the frame. I think I need to move it a little bit higher. Now it should be good. Start mapping. Let's see what we get. Ooh, 198 LEDs from the 250. Okay, add another viewpoint. Okay, so we are much better than what we had yesterday. I had no idea why this didn't work, but now it seems to be going strong. Add another. Let's see. This is about as much as I can go behind it without losing some of the LEDs from the image. Yeah, I'm having trouble going around this little tree and actually keeping everything in frame. I think I'm at the limit. What I can do now? Start mapping. I'm satisfied. Okay. Oh, so now it actually has a 3D layout and it sees the LEDs also at the back of it. But you can see it, everything is much more refined, much more precise in everything that it's showing, so it's basically 100 times better. Now let me show you a few of the modes that we have in here. So if you look right over there, you can see the LED from the dongle right next to the speaker, because I tried to lower the volume but still fill the whole tree in. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Classic view meter mode. If the camera could manage to focus. Much more precise in the whole level. And if you look at that LED, it's blue like this. If I put it in here, lighter blue. If I go in here, it's even a lighter blue. If I get in here, it blinks also on orange, so it's showing you in what mode you are. Now it's a kind of purple, but for me, classic, it's kind of the nicest mode with its variations. This is really nice, honestly. And I cannot properly show you all of the modes. It depends on what type of music you are listening, but just as an idea, This thing is pretty cool, I can tell you that for a fact. So as you can see, again, after the proper mapping, this thing is just beautiful. Honestly, it's the way it changes the lights so precisely. Let me try and change to another mode. Let's see. You can see it's much more precise. Let's apply it. It's let's go to another one. Again, let's apply it. Really cool. So it's kind of easy to say that I do recommend you get this product. I haven't seen a single problem up until now. So yeah, thank you very much Twinkly for sending this string and dongle in. They are really cool, and for sure all the family likes them. Let's play again with the view meter, for example. They are great. Let's see diamond twist. And my daughters are playing around me. If you hear weird noises, they want to check out the little lights. It's like having an aurora borealis inside the room with this diamond twist, honestly. Quite cool. You can hear maybe the daughter in the background. So again, thanks Twinkly for this. Really nice. If any of you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And as always, see you in the next one. And now we need to fully dress up this Christmas tree exactly as a Christmas song comes in, because we have many other things to add to it, but I wanted to fully set it up properly before we put the rest on it. So yeah, bye and Merry Christmas!